Hey there, gorgeous! Today I'm going to show you how to get this look right here. Isn't this gorgeous? For a total of about $17. I can't remember the exact amount off the top of my head, but it is under 20. Everything I'm using in today's video is from SHOPMISSA. If you are not familiar with this website, it is a great place for affordable makeup, and I'm talking extremely affordable. Mostly everything on the website is $1, if not a little bit more, but you can find some really great stuff on there. So I'm going to show you some great quality finds and how you can get this look today. Before I get into the makeup, I have to share this product with you that I found on their website. They really do have some really unique gadgets and accessories for makeup. If you take the time to look around, it's really neat what you can find. But I found this. What is it? It's a sheet mask holder. So you put your sheet mask in here, then you put it on your face like this, right? Okay, so I'm not wearing one obviously right now, but then it has these little handles that you tuck behind your ears, and it holds the sheet mask to your face. Like, who needs this? I need this. It's even got like a little fold for your chin. Look at that. I love it. I know I look goofier than all get out, but hey, you know what? It works. That's one of my biggest problems with sheet masks sometimes. They don't stick to my face, and so I love this. So if you've been looking for something to solve that problem, it's awesome. Okay, enough of that. The first product I'm starting with is this quad. This is the Flower Child eyeshadow quad from AOA Studio, and this is the one called Indigo Child. I also picked up this Pigment, which I thought we would mix in with the eyeshadow palette today from AOA Studio, and this is their loose pigment in the shade Crystal Ball. The great thing about pigments like that is that you don't have to stick to using them just to your eyes. What I love about pigments is they're so versatile. You can use them in so many different ways. You can use them as highlighter if you wanted to on your face. You can use them as lipstick. Mix them in with lip gloss and you're good to go. You can use them as nail polish. So if you really love this color, which I think this would make for a really gorgeous nail polish, mix it in with a clear polish and apply it on your nails. I've done that many times in the past with some of my MAC pigments, and it's been amazing. So I'm taking this shade first. I'm thinking that this may be the same color as the loose pigment, but we'll find out. And I took way too much. I got a little too happy. What can I say? Purple makes me happy. Apply this directly onto the lid. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? That's only 2 light layers right there, and didn't take much effort to get that on. So, oh my gosh. I almost want to add the loose pigment just to see what it does. I mean, I can't not use it. It's so pretty. So they look to be about the same color, but the finish is a little different. You can see that the pigment is a little icier compared to the eyeshadow itself over here. You see what I'm talking about? It's a little more blue, where this is a lot more purple. And I think I like this a lot better. So I'm going to take this off. Okay, then I'm going to take the deeper purple blue, very blue looking purple right here. And I'm going to use that. Goodness, the pigment with these is crazy. Tap off the excess. I'll apply this on the outer third of the lid. Bring it up a little bit. All right, then I'm going to take some of this more neutral shade right here. I'm going to start to apply this into the crease. We'll see how this goes. And this will lay down the transition shade. It may blend in too much with my skin tone. We'll see. Oh, it's a little light. I mean, it's working, but I'll keep going with it because the idea I have is to use this to blend the darker blue into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go back with more of that deeper dark purple blue that I used on the outer corner, and I'm going to blend this up into the crease. Okay, that's working. It's doing what I wanted it to do. It's good to see, good to see. Gorgeous. I absolutely love that color transition there. Next product I have to share with you is the Artista from AOA Studio. This is a liner pen. I'm telling you, it's hard to read the way that they put the print on here. It's like dark purple on black, but it's, yeah. And I'll show you how this swatches. It's purple. Beautiful. Look at that. And it's not feathering. Oh, it's so nice to see. Dark purple. All right, we're going to apply this on the lash line. Can't talk when I do this. Love it, love it, love it. Ah, it is absolutely amazing. And you can still see the purple in it. It doesn't look black or brown. It's definitely purple. Do you ever just keep adding and then realize, oh, I think I might have applied too much? Well, you know, I don't care. It still looks great. It is what it is. For the brows, I know I have a brow product to share with you. Where did it go? It was hiding in my pencils here. So this is the AOA Studio Slim Brow. The shade that I'm showing you here is medium brown. And this is a really fine tipped pencil. You can see here, very fine tipped. You know, even though I like to keep my wings a little more subtle than this is not bad for a change, you know, just to do something different. And I know some people say that they like a more dramatic wing on me. So I don't mind it. I mean, I'm filming this in the middle of the night and I'm actually washing this off to do another look after this. So it doesn't really matter to me. But anyway, look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. My goodness. Can you believe what you get for $1? You can't believe it, right? I mean, this is totally amazing. The detail that this brow pencil creates, the hair-like strokes that you get. I mean, look at this up close. That looks great, doesn't it? And I like to go back with a spoolie, usually, and then brush the product through so it looks just a little bit more natural. But yeah, I mean, it looks great. Absolutely love it. And the shade is a really good match too. And then to complete the eyes, I am using the AOA Studio Natural Lashes. They give you 6 pairs in this packet for $5.80. Such a deal, such a deal. These are the ones called Alexis, and I really love the style of those. And I'm also going to be using their Super Strip Lash Adhesive to attach them. Now, the Alexis lashes do not have a band. Clear band, so they would be great for wearing alone. You do not need eyeliner with these. I typically like to see lashes without a band on them because it makes them more versatile than those that do have a band. And I can already tell you straight out of the package that these are of really sound quality. Go ahead and fit them to my eyes and trim off the excess. Add my glue, drop it on my pants because, you know, that has to happen at least once. And voila! I am going to let them dry for a little bit before I curl them because they do need to be fused together with my own natural lashes. But I will tell you, based off of my memory from what it said on the website, I do believe that the eyelash adhesive is latex free for those who may be curious about it, and it does provide a strong hold. And the best part is you don't have to wait a long time for it to get tacky. Traditional lash glues that I've used in the past, you have to sit there and wait for like 30 seconds to a minute before it gets tacky enough to put it on your eyes. Not this stuff. You just stick it on and boom, it adheres. So I really appreciate that. I did the rest of my face for the most part. I still have a couple more products to show you, but on the lower lashes, I went back and added some more of this deep bluish purple. And I went back to an old Marilyn Monroe technique, which I absolutely love. And I added more of a shadow underneath the eyes and then created kind of like that kind of look with it, and I love how that looks, especially with a different color other than brown. It really does make the eyes pop. So something you should try if you want something a little bit different for your look. For the cheeks, I have this halo highlighter. This is from AOA Studio, and this is the one called Amore. It's a really light pink. Isn't that pretty? Like a pinkish white. So I'll apply that on the top of the cheeks, like, gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking beautiful. I'll blend it in a little bit more because, hey, we need to, but my goodness, that's gorgeousness right there. And for the lips, I am going with AOA Studios Velvet Lips. This is the shade Arya, A-R-Y-A. I thought that would be nice. And I have a second one I'm going to be adding on the top of this, but we'll first see what this looks like. Ooh, I like that. And to top that, I'm using the Diamond Lip Gloss. I love these. This is in the shade Posh, and I'll apply this over the top. It's very subtle. I mean, you wouldn't think that it would be. When you look at the tube, you think, oh my gosh, straight glitter, but it's not. It's like a gloss with a little bit of glitter mixed in. And it's so pretty on the lips. See? You can't even tell I'm wearing glitter. It just looks beautiful. Before I wrap this video up, another one of the products that I discovered on their website recently that I had to share with you are these magic makeup remover sticks. These are $1. You get a pack of 15, and the way that these work is that you crack them open. The makeup remover is at the top of the Q-tip, and then once you crack it, it moves down to the bottom Q-tip, and they take off makeup instantly. And these are excellent for correcting little mistakes around the eyes. If you see them on the website and you're curious about them, they do an excellent job of removing makeup. They do great at minor touch-up work here and there. It's, I feel like, a great little solution to have at your makeup table for times like that when you make little mistakes. If you're interested in any of the products that I shared with you in today's tutorial, I will have all of them listed and linked for you below in the description box. Let me know what your favorite was, or if you have another favorite from SHOPMISSA that you've discovered and you cannot be without. I know I really, really love the Wonder Baked eyeshadows and that one purple shade that they had. This one right here, Regal. This is probably one of my most favorite purple eyeshadows from SHOPMISSA. They don't sell it anymore. I wish they did because it is so beautiful, and every time I wear it, so many of you want to get it, and I'm hoping they will bring this one back because it truly is remarkable. Still one of my favorites. So thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.